Hello, good day to all of you. Jack of all at your service. This is the unboxing video of PTBT-300. Oh, let's start unboxing it. So this came from Lazada, Philippines. Let's open. Wow, it looks nice. It looks nice and looks small. This is Platinum Bluetooth Beatbox. Model name is PTBT-300. So it looks small. So main feature of this Bluetooth speaker is it is the water resistant. Specification: Bluetooth 2.1 and above, auxiliary input socket, voice prompt for convenience feedback, audio connection 3.5 line in, Bluetooth, and Bluetooth range, line of sight 10 meters or 30 feet, 2 inches full range driver, and 1-piece bass, enhanced radiator. RMS output 4 watts at 10%. Built-in lithium battery 3.7 volts, 800 mega mAh or mAh. Micro USB charging port. So far, that's all for this video. It's just an unboxing video. Thank you for watching.